Hello everyone, so welcome to Undoubtme. In this video, we will be doing a question on Venn diagram where we need to find the probability using the given data. So for this question, it is given that there are total 50 people in the choir and there are some people who are playing piano, few people playing guitar, and there are few who are playing both. Okay, so as per the Venn diagram, the circle which represent this P, these are the people who play piano. Similarly, the other one play guitar. The number which is written outside are the ones who play nothing. Okay, so 8 minus n are the total people who play nothing. So the very first thing we should do over here is we'll try to get the value of n. Okay, then we will try to find the probability what they are asking over here. So the first thing is we know that total probability is always 1. Okay, and here these are the number of people. So you don't have to use total probability. You can just take the total number of people as 50 and from there you get n value. So if we just add n plus 2 plus n plus 2n minus 3 plus 8 minus n is all together equal to 50. If we expand the first bracket, it will be n square plus 2n plus n plus 2n is 3n minus n, and minus 3 plus 8 is 5, and minus 50 is brought to the left. Now it is n square plus 5 minus 1 4n minus 45 is equal to 0. 45 means 9 and 5, so it will be n minus 9 and n plus 5. Okay, now here we need to just check once. We need plus 4n, so it should be n plus 9 and n minus 5. Product of 9 and minus 5 will be minus 45, but 9 minus 5 will be plus 4n. I hope that you are already aware with quadratic factorization. If not, then just make sure that you know that. Then you'll be clear with what I did over here. So over here, I'll get n is equal to minus 9 or 5 on solving. Now, n is a number. It can't be negative. So we'll just go ahead with 5. Now with that, I have got all numbers. Okay, so the first one is 5 times 5 plus 2, that is 7. So there are total 35 people who play only piano. Then 5 people who play both. 2n minus 3 means 2 times 5, 10 minus 3, that is 7. So there are 7 people who play only guitar, and outside we have 8 minus 5, that is 3 people play nothing. Okay, this is how we can just add them, and we can also justify that it is together 50. Now we are all set to get the probability. Ultimately what they were asking, we can do it now. So 2 different peoples in the choir are chosen at random. Find the probability that they can both play the piano. Okay, now they can both play the piano means they can be among the people who can play guitar as well. Okay, so if we take the total people who can play piano, that can be 35 plus 5, total 40 people are there. Okay, so out of 40, we are selecting 2 people who can play piano. Okay, now that cannot be done together because we don't know permutation combination at this level. So we can do one by one. There are total 40 people playing piano. So the first person to be chosen who plays piano, probability will be 40 over 50. And why and? Because we need 2 people. So and now there are total 39 people who plays piano out of 49. Okay, if there is any simplification possible, we'll do it. Otherwise, we can write it down as 39 times 4, that will be 160, 156 over 5 times 49, that will be 245. There cannot be any simplification possible for this, so we can write either as 156 over 245, or we can also leave it as 156 divided by 245, that is 0.64. Up to 2 decimal places, the round off value is 0.64, and we are done with the question. So if you have got any doubt in understanding how it is done, any particular step, you can run through this video one more time. I'm sure it will become clear. See you in the next video.